Hi everyone, we have another last minute video. I wanted to do this video because I know, like myself, I'm always struggling to figure out what kind of makeup look I'm gonna do for like a New Year's party or for like a Christmas party. So I came up with this last minute look for you guys. I use the new Francation with Desi and Katie. I love that palette. It's so pigmented, it's so beautiful. It's actually this one right over here. You're gonna see me using the beautiful color over here, Try Me, mixed with the browns and kind of like red tones. And then I used the Kylie lip color, which is True Brown K. I love this look. I hope you guys like it, and stay tuned, keep watching. So I did my eyebrows off camera. I have an eyebrow tutorial, so I'm sure you guys can watch that and let me know. I feel like it gets a bit repetitive, but I'm gonna be trying out the new, well, it's not new, but the Tarte Shape Tape. I've heard a lot of good things about this, and I've been stuck on my NARS deal. You know, a bitch loves some NARS, but you know, let's try this out. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyelids. Now, I love priming with concealer. I just feel like be very gentle because your eyes are the most delicate part of your whole face. You could do this with a beauty blender, but you know, sometimes it's better when you do it with your finger. Now I'm gonna go ahead with the Dose of Colors Desi and Katie Francation palette. I'm gonna go ahead and go with the color Basic, which is just really light, kind of all over the eye color, just so all the colors like blend in seamlessly. Wow, I had a little bit of orange on this, my bad. The brushes that I'm using are actually the brushes from the Jaclyn Hill collection from Morphe. This is the JH30, so it's just like a big fluffy brush, and I love it. It just gets in everywhere. So you're gonna go ahead and do that all over. And with the color Churro, which is this one right here, I'm gonna put that as my crease shade, and I'm gonna do that with the 224 MAC brush, which is the most awesome brush ever. Maybe a little dark. Okay, a little dark. Let's disperse. This is my first time using the palette, so I guess I should have been very light-handed because the pigment is, god damn, that pigment. And I go ahead and just fan the color. You can never do too much blending. See, that was literally just one little dip in that powder. That powder is crazy. And don't worry if you mess up or anything, because you're just gonna go ahead and clean this with concealer, and this is why we do our eyes first. Well, that's why I do my eyes first. And if you hear a little pitter patter, it's lucky. With a Kylie brush, which I have from a Kylie palette, it's kind of just like a more condensed brush to go in like kind of your crease area right over here. I'm gonna go with the color, I believe this is Girl Bye. I'm gonna go ahead with this color and focus this color right in the crease. And just go back and forth, circular, and then back and forth. Dab a little bit more. And if it's okay if the color goes down, it kind of falls down on the lid, because we're gonna go ahead kind of with like a burgundy color, and we're gonna do an all over shade color, which has kind of like metallic flakes in it. So it's all good. So what are you guys doing for the holidays? Are you guys on a trip? Are you guys doing like Christmas with the Cranks, where you are not doing anything Christmassy? My whole family decided to leave to Colombia, so I decided to fly over here and be with my mama and my puppy. Go with, this is Try Me. Look at that beautiful, oh my god. Oh, that pigment. Don't be bougie, girl. You can put it on with your finger. Oh. What the fudge? Wow, that color is beautiful. Oh my god, this is like the perfect holiday, New Year's. I'm literally putting it just all over the lid. This is a beautiful color. I was watching holiday movies last night. You know, they have like those 25 Days of Christmas, I think. Is it Hallmark or ABC? What's your favorite holiday movie? Comment down below. What's the one with Arnold Schwarzenegger? The one where he's looking for that specific toy that his kid wants, that if he doesn't find it, like the world is gonna end or something. Oh my god, that I was watching that last night and it brought so many memories. So all I did now was literally just clean off the excess with like a little makeup remover or some facial lotion. The liner that I am using is the Wet n Wild one. So we're just gonna start from here. I'd be very steady. Not even I could do. So I kind of just start from the beginning and then I kind of just brush it softly. Now if you don't know how to do liner, don't worry guys, it takes time and practice. Do you know? Do you know what I mean? Jelly bean, peaches and cream. Okay, so once I have kind of like the base, I'll go ahead and do the end. So I like to go kind of draw the ending of my eye and just connect them both. Was that like an okay explanation? 2 thumbs up or no? That's one eye. I'm so nervous. Just kidding. And go with the end of the eye like this. Push it out and connect the dots. See, nobody's eyeliner is gonna be perfect right off the bat unless you're Nikki Tutorials. Ha ha ha. She's amazing. Okay, so you see how that one's a little bit more thicker than this one. So we're gonna go ahead and level them out. Boom. My favorite mascara that my mom introduced me, it is the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. Girl, this shit is amazing. Like, literally amazeballs. I don't know what's so good about it, but you know what it is? It doesn't flake. Do you see these eyelashes? Like, I wear extensions and these babies are so long. I love this mascara. So the next step is gonna be foundation. Go ahead and grab our hair and put it away. Okay, so today I'm gonna be trying the new Tarte High Performance Shape Tape Matte Foundation. I just went down the stairs and you know, your girl's a little bit out of shape. It was on sale at Ulta for $20 and then I had the 20% off, so I was like, okay, let's try it. I got it in the shade Medium Golden. I like the applicator. It's kind of like a big concealer, like a jumbo concealer. And let's try it out. So I'm gonna do one side first. I really like the applicator though. I think it's pretty cool that you can, you know, do it with this. The It Cosmetics Airbrush Blurring Foundation, which I love. Buff that out. It's looking a little orange. I don't mind orange though. Honestly, I feel like I don't really care if the foundation's too dark sometimes. I'd rather the foundation be dark because of photography. I feel like when the foundation's dark, you can like counteract it with a lighter concealer and it's just fixable. I feel that side, wow. I feel like it looks really nice. I'm definitely gonna keep up in Instagram and let you guys know how it turns out throughout the day and how it lasts, because that's like what's really important. Does it last or does it not? Or nah? What's your guys' favorite foundation? I feel like I've been using the NARS one a lot. I really love it because it's full coverage, but I don't feel like it's that heavy. Always go down, always go down. And use the Shape Tape concealer, which you guys have heard amazing things about. I have not tried it. I have been loyal, like I said, to my NARS, but let's see how this goes. Wow. Wow, this shit is thick. I mean, I don't mind it though. Oh wow. Okay, I'm gonna do it with my finger, which concealer is nice with your finger. I would try and do it with a beauty blender if you were at home, but my beauty blender is not here. I am traveling. With my ring finger, wow. Wow. That's really amazing. Now I'm always really strict when I do my concealer. I immediately set it. So I'm setting it with the Anastasia Banana color and just a Sigma F35 brush. And I don't like to go like this. I like to really set it in there and get the product in. That way it doesn't, to me, I feel like it doesn't crease and it really like sets it in there. And look, wow, that really looks amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off. I really love this concealer. I think I love it. I think it's my new favorite. And contour with the middle color. And I like to use this Milani brush. It's literally the brush that goes in the bronzer that it has, but I love it. So I kind of go like in a 3. So 1 and then 2. So that's basically a 3. That's what I like to do all around. Baby girl sometimes thinks she has a big forehead, which I know I don't, but I do like to go over the forehead, and of course it gives you the illusion that your forehead is a wee bit smaller. Not that smaller, but smaller. And then just go here. You see how it kind of already gives you, I feel like it's almost like an Ida brush. You remember the Ida brush from NARS that everybody was going crazy about, and I feel like no one uses it now, but it kind of has that same shape where it just fits perfectly. Okay, so hello, there's my nose, right? This brush I love. This is the brush that comes with every Urban Decay, those Urban Decay palettes, like the heat palettes and all those stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead with the middle shade that's in the Anastasia contour kit, and I dipped it very lightly, not that much, and I'm gonna go ahead and kind of like draw a very thin line. So you see automatically that thin line gives you that illusion that, damn, this bitch got her nose done. Her nose is snatched. Now, I know it looks a little bit rough and dark. We're gonna blend it out. So those 2 lines, I have so much light coming in from here that it doesn't really, there you go, you see that? It gives you like that nice snatched. I like to cover it right here as well. And then what I'll do is I'll go with my foundation brush and I'll kind of just dust it off a little bit. Snatched goats. Go ahead with the JH40, which is this one. It's like a thinner blending brush, and I'm gonna go ahead with that color that we used, which was this one, I believe, which is Churro. And then right under the lash line right there. Now this just kind of makes the eye just connected and all the colors are, you know, nice and even. So you see how that just kind of makes the eye complete. So now that our eyes are kind of all smoked out and nice in the bottom and top, go with my favorite, which is the MAC Extended Play Lash, which I use only for the bottom lashes. You know, I kind of like my lashes to look like spiders. A little weird, but that's how your girl likes it. Okay, I'm gonna use the Fix Plus, MAC Studio Fix Plus, and if you hear the chitter, pitter, patter, it's lucky. So we're just gonna go ahead, spray it all over your face. And I like to do this before highlight so that it actually sticks. We're gonna use Laura Geller, the Gilded Honey, which is my favorite. And we're gonna use the Morphe fan brush. And you know, you're just gonna take your time and just, you know, highlight for as long as you want. Oh my God, you see that? Do you see that, Mom?
Yes, sir. Bree.
Can I get a background like, wow?
Oh, wow.
You gotta say that a little louder.
Wow.
Wow. Do you see that?
Wow, you popping.
Okay, so I'm just gonna literally just go like this. Boom. I like to do it on the tip of my nose, and it just makes your nose look a little bit more snatched. Snatchola. Wow. You see that? Now I'm gonna go do my eyelashes, and I'll be right back. So the eyelashes I'm gonna wear are the Kiss lashes. These are in...
Oh, these are Gala Kiss lashes. They've reposted me before.
They're actually a really good price. So my eyes are actually kind of small, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut these. So if you have eyelashes and you're wondering why, Mom, they always fall on you, it's because you gotta cut them and measure them to your eye. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that off camera. All right, moment of truth. Boom. Wow. It's pretty poppin', huh? So now that I put on the eyelashes, that's what they look like. So I'm gonna be using the dark color since it's the holidays. I want to do something dark. It could be red. You could do this look with basically, we could do like a red, a metallic red. You could do a brown. I haven't done brown in a while, so I'm gonna do brown. This is the Kylie, the OG lip trio, and it comes with the colors Candy K, Dolce K, and True Brown K. You know I like to overdraw though, so. I like to go over my Cupid's bow with a straight line. Or kind of like rounded. I don't like to follow it actually. I feel like it makes it look bigger and plumper. I always struggle with the ends. Wow, that's bomb. So that is it for the holiday glam tutorial last minute. Remember, you could do this with the red lip, you could do this with the brown lip, you could do this with the nude lip. I hope you guys like it. Lots of glow. Happy holidays, everyone. I hope everyone has a safe holiday and eat lots of food. Bye. Es salvaje, okay? I don't know what I'm talking about right now.
Excuse me?
I'm not talking shit, but I just want to say something.
What?
Hello?
What?
I'm filming.